Welcome to TrackemKY. Chuck right here, Brandon dropped back there. We're going fishing in the river today. This is probably our second time we've been out river fishing this year, especially getting the wade. And I've got a bone puppy on right here. This is a Zara Puppy, like the big Spook and Super Spook and Spook Junior. But that's what I'm going to be using, trying to catch some of these smallmouth. I also may go to a Popper and try hit a little bit. But I kill them on puppies right in the river. You know, it's killer lure. It's killer lure in the lake also. I've caught some really nice smallmouths right in the lake with it, ranging up around 5 pounds, and even in the river. And there's just something about the puppy that they really love. So we're going to put it to use first. Then we might switch over to the Popper. So let's get down here and see if we can catch some. Let's see if we can get us one in this little deep pocket right over here. As soon as it hit. Nice. As soon as it hit, I didn't even have time to work it one time. And it came up and got it a mouthful. Cool. Now if I can get him up here. Oh gosh, come up here, buddy. Oh yeah. But nice pretty little river smallmouth. Got him on the puppy. It's a blast. We'll let that little fella go. Well, I just had one come up while I was looking for my next place to cast. See if I can get him to bite again. Got him. Hit it once and knocked the bait completely out. And then he went and got him head first that time. Little old largemouth. Quit now. Quit. Little old largemouth. Got another one. Oh, he's trying to wrap me up there. Come out of the tree, old fella. Right in the tree, guys. This is a little bit better one. I seen him come out between, there's 2 trees laid in the water about 6 inches deep under the water. And I seen him come right out of the middle of them. And he definitely wanted it. Then he tried to wrap me up. That's a better one. Yeah. Beautiful smalley. Can't go wrong with a puppy. And right into swift water. Nice, pretty healthy smallmouth bass. Zara Puppy. River. My favorite fishing. We'll let him go here. A lot of people have been keeping about every fish they catch out of the river here, and you can tell they're not as many as they used to be. But I let them go. We'll come back and catch them again. Now, one thing, guys, when I'm out river fishing with a puppy is you're going to get into current, as I call them, shows. And especially small rivers like we got right here. And you can't be afraid to throw it in swift water. I throw them in it, and what I do is just work it slowly and kind of let the lure, you know, drift down the river and just give it a little action. They'll come up busted in those places like that, because a lot of times in a river. If a smallmouth's in like current like that, they're feeding, and they'll come up and kill it, just like that one did just a few minutes ago. So let's get back at it and see if we can catch some. Well guys, we've moved location. Brandon's back there, he's got a popper on, and I've switched over to a little popper right here. This is a little Rebel popper. You can pick them up at Walmart. You can get 3 packs of these for like $9. Brandon's got an Ozark popper on, I believe, bone, and we're going to move up the river here and see if we can catch some on the popper now. See?
Nice little river smallmouth. Got him on the Ozark popper. We're gonna release this guy.
Brandon's connected again. You get that in that swift water.
Yeah.
Number 2.
The Ozark popper. Smallmouth on the Ozark popper. Got him out of the swift water. Let's release this little fella.
There's one. Lip it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Watch your hands.
It's down to 1 hook. They were very feisty. Got it.
Well, got another one on the popper. Seem to be burning that up this evening too. So we'll let this little fella go. We'll let him go here. Got another. Back to back. Pretty little fella. And he crapped on me. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Popper.